Bird watching. Good morning. Today is June 24th, 2016, 10:31. Good morning. Glory to God. I just fed the birds. They're coming for their food. Bird watching. There go one. Bird watching. There he goes. Bird watching. Look at the beautiful bird. There he goes. Bird watching. Good morning. How are you? I love my birds. I got some planting to do. Got to transfer my little plants into a bigger pot. Bird watching. Look at my gorgeous ivy plant. It's just growing. I put Miracle-Gro on it. Just thriving. It's beautiful. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for another blessed day. Bird watching. Bird watching. Listen to the beautiful sound and the music of the birds. Oh, look at the beautiful garden. It's just thriving. Where go my beautiful angel? Bird watching. Bird watching. There go the bird. There go my baby. Good morning. How are you? Bird watching. Real talk from Miss Pat. How everybody doing? Well, down here in the south, the weather this weekend gonna be almost 100 plus. Everybody stay safe. Check on the elderly and your neighbors. And stay prayed up. Glory to God. Bird watching. I love the birds. Listen to the beautiful music of the sound coming from the birds. It's so relaxing. Bird watching. Bird watching. The beautiful sound of the lovely birds. Bird watching. There you go. Bird watching.